I received my bound dissertation today, and I'd like to read you the abstract summarizing the dissertation, as well as, more importantly, the dedication and acknowledgement sections, without which neither the abstract nor the entire dissertation could have been written. Achieving science education goals by teaching a breadth of science is possible, but it requires verbal pedagogies which require trust. However, the lack of trust in teachers is an international problem, leading to suboptimal school performance and other issues. Research concerning the importance of trust in science education is found wanting. To determine which trust factors achieved achievement of which science education goals, 96 female yeshiva students in grades 7, 8, 9, and 12 filled out a survey and questionnaire that asked about their perceptions of the effects of their trust in teachers' factors on the achievement of science education goals. Regardless of subgroup, tier, group of school grades, or learning style, the following science education goals were statistically significantly perceived by participants to be achieved with the presence of the listed trust factors. Learning classroom science. Role, transferring knowledge and character. Science literacy, transferring knowledge. Future science, role, and transferring knowledge. For the following subgroups, the listed trust factors were also valued. Students who learn best by listening to their teacher, expertise, and support. Students who learn best by exploring and doing things with their physical hands, emotional relationship, and guidance. Middle schoolers, meritorious service and emotional relationship. High schoolers, guidance. It was also found that age has less predictive power than learning styles or school blocks, elementary school, middle school, high school, which are socially constructed and ignore learning styles. Because of verbal methods' more ubiquitous application than strictly science-minded pedagogies, if repeated with modification, the shade report instrument introduced in this study has implications for students of different demographics, including ethnicities and cultures, sex, school type and grade, additional learning styles, different science education goals, control factors or intimacy factors rather than just trust factors, and teachers if they indicate how students can be more effective students. The present study has provided information regarding which trust factors are perceived by students to achieve specific science education goals. The next possible research step is to more fully examine through appropriate research design how to achieve each of the required trust factors. Dedication. My sweet Lily Beth, your love, encouragement, support, reinforcement, and inspiration got me through writing this dissertation. You were by my side figuratively and oftentimes literally when I wrote it. I am called Doctor because of you. You have been the best person you could have been, my friend. You are a good friend. You are my best friend. You are my hero. You are my muse. You continue to amaze me, and that statement is an understatement. You make me proud. I love you. Acknowledgements. The following people are acknowledged for their encouragement for me to write this dissertation. Jen and Carol Galupter, my parents. Chris Emden, O. Roger Anderson, Felicia Mensa, Janice Robinson, Lily Kestenbaum, Jason Nevetsky, Ariel Florian, Lisa Nieseman, The Road to Ruin, whose music kept me going while I ran stats and wrote, this study's participants, all my students, and all my teachers, DMG.